Today, I'm taking you with me to one of the most magical hidden gems of the French Riviera, Villefranche-sur-Mer, or Villefranche-Freetown, or Freeport. The name given in 1295 by Charles II of Anjou, when he granted tax exemptions to encourage people to resettle the coast. This evolved into Villefranche, a place where the water is so blue it almost doesn't look real, where pastel houses climb the hills, and where history, art, and the Mediterranean lifestyle all meet in one perfect bay. Villefranche-sur-Mer has one of the deepest natural harbors in the Mediterranean, which made it strategically important for centuries. It was once part of the Duchy of Savoy, and later became French territory in the 19th century. One of its most unique historical landmarks is the Saint Pierre Chapel, decorated inside by the famous artist Jean Cocteau, who transformed it into a living artwork of color, myth, and sea life. And not far from here, in the hills above Villefranche, the legendary Rolling Stones recorded parts of their iconic album Exile on Main Seine in Villa-Nelcote, giving this quiet town a surprising rock and roll history. This place has long attracted artists, writers, and dreamers. Jean Cocteau left his artistic soul here. If you come here, don't miss Citadelle Saint-Elme, a 16th century fortress overlooking the sea. Plage des Marinières, the main beach with calm turquoise water. Old town streets colorful, narrow alleys full of charm. Rue Obscure, a hidden medieval covered street beneath the village. The harbor, one of the most beautiful natural bays in Europe. And just nearby Saint-Jean Cap Ferret, for luxury villas and coastal walks. Villefranche-sur-Mer offers a unique blend of culinary delights and a timeless French Riviera atmosphere. Begin your culinary journey with fresh Mediterranean seafood at waterfront restaurants, and terraces offer stunning sea views. Pair your meal with chilled local rosé or crisp provincial wine as the sun sets. Don't miss the region's must-try specialty, soca, a thin, crispy chickpea pancake originally from nearby Nice, cooked in large wood-fired ovens and served hot with black pepper. Wander through the colorful streets to discover pissaladière, olive dishes, fragrant herbs, and desserts inspired by both French and Italian traditions. End your day with a scoop of gelato while walking along the harbor at sunset, surrounded by pastel buildings and luxury yachts. Villefranche-sur-Mer's beauty has captivated artists, celebrities, and filmmakers for decades, making it a truly unforgettable coastal town, including scenes from the To Catch a Thief with Grace Kelly and Cary Grant. If you enjoyed this little escape with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow this channel so you don't miss my next travel adventures. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next journey.